So for this video, we're going to talk about absolute value. And what is absolute value? Absolute value is how far away a number is from 0. So answer these questions, pause the video, and then check to see if you're right. What is the absolute value of negative 82? So how far away from 0 is negative 82? Well, it's 82 units away. What is the absolute value of 24? Well, 24 would be 24 units away from 0. How far away from 0 is the absolute value of 19? That would be 19 spaces away from 0. How far away from 0 is the absolute value of negative 35? Well, that would be 35 spaces away from 0. Which number has the greatest absolute value? Well, the absolute value of negative 60 is 60. The absolute value of 79 is 79. The absolute value of 0 is 0. And the absolute value of negative 13 is 13. So which is the greatest number here? So the greatest number would be 79. That's the greatest absolute value. What if I change this to be which number has the least absolute value? Let's see. So the least right here would have to be 0. That's the least absolute value, because 0 is 0 away from itself. And I hope you've noticed that and remember that absolute value is always positive because it's showing distance, and distance is either 0 or positive. So for our last set of questions, another way of writing what is the absolute value is with these marks right here. So this is actually asking you what is the absolute value of negative 45. That would be 45. What is the absolute value of 68? 68. What is the absolute value of 0? 0. Now do not write it. Do not write the absolute value of 68 as the absolute value of 68 with these marks on here. No, do not do that. That is a very common 6th grade mistake. You're actually answering a question with another question. So you just write regular integers or rational numbers, whatever they ask you for. So one thing I didn't include, maybe I'll do that now. What is the absolute value of negative 5 4/5? So the absolute value of negative 5 4/5 would be 5 4/5 spaces away. I hope this was very helpful.